Hey guys, Roger Burnley, vocal coach here. I am going to give you such a gift. You know, I've been coaching for more than 30 years here in Hollywood, and I've developed different techniques and processes and things to use to get your voice in a really great place. But what I have come to over the years is what I needed to use for myself, which I call my 5-minute vocal warm up. So that's what I'm going to give you. Even if you don't have any time, if you did this every single day, you would start to see tremendous improvements in your voice. The first one that I start with is the humming one, where I want you to place your thumb under your jaw, where you can feel that the muscles are not coming down, the swallowing muscles, as you know, that they're not coming down, not fighting you. You're going to stay really close. And you just try to close, you try to get the chords to come together. You want a really clean sound. When you're getting that clean sound, that's warming up your vocal cords because it's getting the chords to come together in the correct way. Let me do that. I'm starting here. I'm not taking a breath on the first note. Just going down. Yes, and I have to keep the weird face because if I don't, it starts to fall back in my throat. I'm not going to get anywhere. So that's the first one, okay? So I do that first because that starts to really open things up. You know, if you have time, please go through these a few times. It'll make a huge, huge difference. But we're trying to give you the 5-minute one. And I will admit, there have been many times where I've got to go to a gig and I don't have any time. And so I've needed to use this 5-minute warm-up. So, and then the next one is my, favorite, nay, nay, nay. Same idea, though. What you're doing is you just want to get the swallowing muscles not to restrict you. So I'm placing my thumb under the jaw. Nay, 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 nay. Still the weird face. Nay, 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 nay. Letting go before the higher notes. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Now I'm starting to really open up, okay? So now I'm starting to get in a good place. So I've got those things under my belt. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the lip trill, which is pretty easy now at this point. But for you, please use your hands, and especially in the beginning, if you've not done this, push up so you can feel where to start, and then down. There. Then what I would do after that is then the tongue trill. Now, if you guys are not able to do the tongue trill, and maybe for various reasons that I've talked about before, doesn't matter. Use something else. Use an ah sound. Some of the other exercises that I've done, videos I've given you the alternatives as I call them, which is just using a different vowel sound. That's all. Okay, so but let's do the tongue trill, and because this is the one that I would do next. Now, let me just explain something. I want to explain this. You know, you don't have to use your thumb unnecessarily under here for the tongue trill. I like for you to do it, though. Now, because you could conceivably do the tongue trill with a little bit of the muscles coming down, but I don't want you to have any of them coming down. So what I have to do when I have the thumb, I feel I've got to close a little bit more. Otherwise, they'll slightly start to fight me. Don't want that at all. So again, and if you can't do that, then just do ah. 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 Same effect. It's just, again, I'm having the thumb under here so I can feel and make sure the muscles aren't coming down and I'm not open too much and going back in my throat. I'm telling you, if you did this all the time, your voice will be brilliant in no time at all. But in those quick pinches, this will really serve you. All right. I know this will help you. Please share this with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions, and I will see you next time.